Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome you all in PIST Zoom live class session 2021. Dear students, this class is for grade 8th and subject is computer science. We are on chapter number 1, fundamentals of computer. Dear students, today we are going to start the new topic, that is role of computer, use of computer in various fields like education, business, defense, media. So there are lots of fields nowadays we are using computer. In fact, in every field nowadays we are using computer. So what is the role of computer? The computers are found in offices, banks, schools, business, and in every field. They are used in banks for record keeping and maintaining accounts of customers. Banking and commerce could not have existed on a large scale without use of computers. So computers are widely used in bank for calculation purpose, and computers are widely used in educational institution. Now we are using in medical field as well, and for the entertainment we can use computer. So the computer have the major and important role nowadays. It have a important and the major role nowadays. For everywhere we are using computer. So dear students, computer plays important role in modern society and it has changed it in many ways. It is the best invention ever made in the history of modern technology. It has brought advancement in various fields of life. So we have different fields where we can use computer. So here we have some brief introduction about the different fields, like use of computer in various fields. First of all, we have education. The role of computers in education has been given a lot of importance in the recent years. Computer technology is the process of learning. Many programs are available for students to learn the subjects of physics, mathematics, chemistry, biology. Multimedia software makes the process of learning interactive and interesting. It combines text, graphics, sound, and video for effective learning. Internet has numerous information on a wide variety of subjects. Students can refer to internet to find information on any topic. Nowadays, computer with related to examination are also being controlled using computers. All the activities, in fact, all the activities related to examinations are also being controlled using computers. Therefore, it plays an important role in education. Today, computer education is a part of curricular form from elementary to university level. Use of computer in education, you can view on your screen here. There is a computer lab you can view, and here we have a computer. So we are using computer in the field of education nowadays, and it gives very it is very advantageous for us. It gives us very advantages. So dear students, computer can be used in education in different ways, like we can use computer-based training. Computer-based trainings basically are different programs that are supplied on CD-ROMs. These programs include text, graphics, and sound, audio and video lectures are recorded on the CDs, okay? Then we have online education. So in COVID-19, we all are familiar with the online education. So with the help of computer, it is possible, and with the help of internet. So all these are the tools of information technology and related to the computer. So with the help of this facility, we can get the education. Even you can appear online examination. You have online quizzes, lectures, each and everything is online. So it is possible due to computer. So online education, many websites provide online educations. You can download educational material, books, and tutorials without going outside. Some universities provide online lectures for the students. Students can ask questions and discuss problems by sending emails to the website. And nowadays, as you know, that we have some apps and applications which are available, in which students can directly contact with the teachers. We have a live classes, like we have a Zoom, we have some other application softwares which can provide the live online education system. So with this all possible because of computer. So nowadays this all possible because of computer. We have internet connection. So all these things are related to the IT and information technology. The next is use of computer in the field of business. Computers are used in all types of business, as shown in the figure, to improve the productivity. They help in running business activities efficiently. They are used to prepare business documents, reports, charts, presentations, invoices. They help in staying in contact with employees and customers. The following are some important business areas where computers are used. Number one is computer technology has revolutionized the banking business. Deposit and withdrawals are instantly logged into a customer's account. Accurate monthly bank statements are generated with the help of computer. Computer networks allow amount of bills to be transferred from customers' bank account to the store. People can obtain cash anytime, anywhere through automated teller machine ATM. So dear students, we all know about the ATM. So you have a bank account and all the data and all your account information is computerized. So you can withdraw your money from any branch and any ATM machine. Okay. So this is possible because of computerization, the computer network. We have all data on computerized form. So you are registered with the bank, you have an account with the bank, so you can withdraw your money with the help of any branch from anywhere. You can do the transaction. You can do online shopping. You can use your debit card. You can use your ATM card. Okay. Then computer are used in retail stores. Barcode readers are linked to computer systems that are used to read the barcode printed on each product sold to prepare the bill. With the use of computer at retail store, the checkout process is faster and the bill produced is accurate. So we all know that the barcode readers, the machine which read a universal product code, the specific code which are available on each product. Okay, so barcode reader machine read this code and it can link to the computer system that are used to read the barcode printed on each product. So we have this process is very fast. That's why we can do the checkout process is faster and the bill produced is accurate. Then we have electronic commerce, also known as e-commerce, allows to sell products and services by means of computer networks such as internet. Computers are very helpful in running many other types of business that include hotel, hospital, school, travel agency, real estate, stock exchange, like this. So these are the different areas where we can use computer. These are the basically business areas. Okay, we can use the computer. We can use computer in stock control, accounts payroll system. Okay, in the fax machine, we can use in business to generate the emails, word processing, spreadsheet, databases. All these things can be used in this. Next is defense. There are various applications of computer technology in defense. Computers are used in tanks, planes, and ships to target enemy forces. They help in tracking missiles and destroying them. Modern defense weapons and other equipment are controlled by computers. Computers are used for designing and testing of weapons. Computers are also used in communication systems in defense. Okay, so application of computer in figure you can view. So these are the some examples and applications of the computers which can use in a defense system. Okay, in the defense system, it can use to fire the missiles and control the planes and ships, tanks, planes and ships, okay, and hit on the target of the enemy forces. So these are the uses of computer. All these are the computerized, okay, all these are the computerized which are used in defense system. Okay, dear students. The next is media, use of computer in media. Computers have lot of applications in print and electronic media. Print media refers to the mass communication through printed material. Computer technology help in preparation and production of newspapers, magazine, booklets, and brochures, flyers, press release, and books. Electronic media refers to broadcast media that includes radio broadcast, cable, and satellite television broadcast, and the new age media like internet and mobile devices. Computer is used for television broadcasting. Okay, so media is a field where we can use the computer. Okay, now one new branch is introduced nowadays. So everyone is familiar with the social media. Okay, in a social media, you know that it's a type of a media, but it's a social media, like by using a mobile devices and the internet and a computer and the laptop. So you can use the social media. You can broadcast your news. You can viral your news, your messages, your videos, your pictures, okay, by using a social media. So nowadays we have a fast way of communication, that is a social media, and the social media is a type of a media. The next is manufacturing. Manufacturing means that nowadays computer technology is widely used in manufacturing industry. It has improved the accuracy, quality, and speed of manufacturing. Computers are used for product design and automation of manufacturing process. In factories, as shown, you can view on your screen, this is known as the computer-aided design, CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, CAM. CAD involves the use of computer hardware and graphics software to create product designs. CAM involves the use of computer in planning and management of production operation. It helps in automatically producing finished product. CAD CAM technology has been applied in many industries, including automobiles, electronics, machine components, textiles, and fashion. So these are the CAD and CAM which are used for the manufacturing purpose. Okay, these are the type of manufacturing software and which can use to design something. Okay, with the help of CAD and with the help of CAM, you can do the designing. So you can do graphic designing, you can do the manufacturing designing, hardware and graphic software designs are used to create the different manufacturing products. Next is careers in information technology, IT. Information technology refers to anything related to computing technologies, such as networking, hardware, software, the internet, or the people that work with these technologies. Many companies now have IT departments for managing the computers, networks, and other technical areas of their business. Many jobs are offered in these departments. A few are discussed as below. So in your book, we have few topics related to the IT. So we have different variety of careers and ITs which are available nowadays. We can use nowadays. So like first of all, we have software engineer. The software engineer is a highly skilled person in the field of IT whose responsibilities involve the analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance of computer software. Software engineering can be further classified into programmer and system analyst. Programmer writes computer programs and fixes errors in the programs. The system analyst works with the user to determine what new programmers must achieve. So here computer programs are IT professionals who have extensive knowledge and expertise in programming languages. Computer programmers write programs to solve problems related with business, education, engineering, government offices, hospital, entertainment. System analyst. System analyst analyze the data processing requirements of organizations and develop information system to implement them. They investigate problem, plan, solution, and recommend the type of hardware and software required for implementing the solution. Next, we have hardware engineer. Hardware engineers design and manufacture computer hardware. Their work also involves repair and maintenance of computer hardware. They have in-depth knowledge of internal working of computers, processors, circuit boards, and other electronic equipment. Then we have network administrator. Network administrators are responsible for installation, configuration, and maintenance of computer networks in organization. They are in charge of maintenance of computer hardware and software that make up a computer network. So computer, we have network administrator that is responsible to manage the network. When we have computer network, so computer network, a network administrator is responsible for the networking. Then we have database administrator. Database administrator is a person who is responsible for the design, implementation, and maintenance of a database in an organization. He is also responsible for maintaining security and monitoring the performance of database. Then we have a web designer. Web designer is a person whose job is to plan and create website. He designs web pages that include text, images, sound, video clips, and make the website interactive. HTML, hypertext markup language, is the most commonly used language for creating websites. So HTML is a hypertext markup language that is used to create the web pages. With the help of HTML, we can create the dynamic web pages and static web pages. Okay, so web designers can use, and web designers are person whose job is to plan and create website. Then we have a multimedia designer. Multimedia designers are people who organize and present information in an easy to understand and attractive manner. They combine text, graphics, animation, audio, and video. Multimedia designer creates digital images and arrange them in sequence for animation using computer software. They have the skills to edit and manipulate audio, video files. They usually work in film, TV industry, computer software companies, and advertising companies. Then we have information security analyst. Information security analyst is a person whose job is to protect information and information system from unauthorized access, use, modification, recording, or destruction. He implements procedures and policies to ensure information security within the organization. Computer teacher. In the last, we have the computer teacher. The computer teacher teaches the subject of computer science to students to make the computer literate. He conducts lessons. He conducts lesson on how to operate computers and the working principle and concept of computer hardware. He also teaches how to develop computer program using various programming languages. So computer teacher is also one field which you can choose as a subject specialist. So computer teacher can teach the computer science subject and the different areas of the computer science subject. They can teach you how to operate the computer, the basic idea of the computer, how the computer works, the working of the computer principle, hardware and software, and how to develop a computer program. They can give the idea of a computer programming. Okay, so with the help of the computer programming, you can develop your small programs and procedures, and you can write your own programs. Okay, so these are the careers in the field of IT. So dear students, today we discuss about the various fields of information technology and the computer uses of computer in various fields and careers in IT. Okay, so after completing this lesson, we understand that we have different fields in related to the computer, and in every field of life we have computer nowadays. Computer science and the computer is involved in our life, computer, internet, everything. Okay, so a person who has adopted the field of information technology as a professional is called IT professional. Okay, so if you choose a computer as a profession, so you are called a IT professional. IT professionals are responsible for acquiring, developing, and maintaining or operating the hardware and software associated with the computers and communication networks. So we have different types of IT programmers, like IT professionals. So we have programmers, system analyst, graphic designer, technician, call center, help desk, first line support, web developer, computer engineers, customer service. All these are related to the IT. So all these are related to the, these fields are related to the IT. So we have system designer designs the new programs, web designers design and develop application for the internet. Then we have a network specialist and network administrator. A network administrator works with the computer networks that connect computers. Computer operators operate oversees the correct operations of computer facilities and equipment. Okay, so if we talk about the IT professionals and the IT users, and when we talk about the IT users, so what are the responsibilities of IT users? So responsibilities of IT users are be informed, make proper use of IT and security and the privacy. Be informed means that users have to know how computer and networks can be applied in different situations. They should know the capabilities and limitation of IT in those situations. Users and then make proper use of IT. User need to take responsibility to apply IT in desirable and ethical way. They should not disturb the privacy rights or well-being of others. And users must protect data and information that are in a computer or transmitted over a network. They should protect it against international or accidental damage or loss. They should also safeguard all process from the failure that rely on information technology. So being an IT professional, we have some responsibility, and being IT users, we have some responsibilities. Okay, so dear students, thank you so much. In the next lecture, we will continue this chapter. Till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.